As your organization continues to adopt and deploy mobile devices, one of your first priorities remains to provide a safe working environment for your employees, customers, students, and users. To help ensure that safe environment, UL Standard 60950 specifies safety tests and benchmarks for information technology equipment, which includes everything from computers and phones to displays and projectors to supporting equipment like charging carts for mobile devices. So let's look at the UL 60950 certification for charging carts. This safety standard specifies tests for electrical shock, fire resistance, stability, and more. To protect users against electric shock, UL 60950 specifies that all conductive material must be grounded, preventing electric shock in the case of a surge or fault coming from a power outlet, from the product itself, or from a device that you connect to the cart. And UL 60950 protects against unsafe industrial design, requiring that a cart must remain stable in a variety of situations, up an incline, with various weights placed on it, and in a variety of poses with the doors open and with the doors closed. These stability tests ensure that your cart won't tip over on someone if they go over an incline, or place something on it, or lean on it as they use the product. Whichever store and charge cart you are considering for your organization, be sure to select one which has been certified to UL 60950 by a nationally recognized testing lab. You can do that by following these two simple steps. First, look for a safety certification mark on the product itself. If you cannot find the mark or have any doubt, you can ask the vendor or manufacturer for a copy of their compliance certificate. When you choose a certified product, you're choosing equipment for your organization that supports a safe working and learning environment. Insist on safety. Insist on certified. Thank you.